Okay guys, I want to show you our new budget truck. I found a F350 all body style. It's right here. I think it used to be like a U-Haul truck or something. We're gonna be doing some videos about this truck. We're gonna fix it up on a budget to make it like a really good working horse. As you can see, it's in rough condition. He does runs and drives. He just needs some love. As you can see, there's my other 250. As you can tell, I like Fords. Well, this one, because he's in rough shape, but I think it's pretty cool. So it's locked. I might be replacing those wheels. Maybe like a one of those cheap paint jobs. Some new tires, because those are gone. Those are bald. Maybe some headlights, some grill. We need to fix all of this. As you can see, there's quite a few parts missing on it. The guy says he's just like a cheap truck. He's gonna be built on a budget. I think only has like a little, like it's like a low mileage truck, like 250,000 or something like that. But I'm gonna try to do the best I can to make it look good. So we're gonna be getting some parts and stuff. Everything is gonna be built on a budget. We only pay like $1,300 for this truck, which I think is not that bad. I mean, $1,300 for a running truck that you can work with it. Man, like I say, it's a 97 all-style Ford 350 for $1,300, 250,000 miles on it. But I think with a small budget, we can make it look good. All right, guys, so stay tuned and we will start working on it. This is part 1. I'm gonna be posting more videos of it. I'm gonna just follow the link, subscribe, like. All right, see you guys.